911 is for emergencies. Does that confuse anybody out there that has a little bit of common sense? Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. And we're talking about some more dumb cruisers and dumb things that cruisers have done. And a cruiser who apparently doesn't understand that 911 is for emergencies. Now, I do get and do realize that 911 may not be the emergency number in every place around the world. It is here in the United States, and it is the emergency number on board cruise ships. Of course, it does say for emergencies, dial 911. So even if maybe you're not real familiar with that, maybe it's not common where you're from, it does say directly 911 for emergencies. Emergencies. There's also the number you call if you need your cabin steward. There's also a number you call if you need guest services, number you call to get room service. Different numbers for different things. 911, once again, is for emergencies. Now, of course, if you have common sense, you could do a little critical thinking. You're like, okay, yeah, we get it. 911 is for emergencies. What's the point of that? I'm going to share that with you because I'm going to play a little video clip, a little bit from one of John Heald's morning shows, where we see exactly why I say this cruise passenger clearly had no common sense.
Talking of safety, I said the other day about if you see something that you feel is important and could affect the safety of the ship or your safety, to call 911. Every phone from your cabin, you can just pick it up and call 911. It's monitored 24 hours, of course. If you're in a public area and you're looking for a phone, the simplest way is to go to the elevator lobbies where there are always phones on the wall. And again, you can call 911. This is in a real emergency. It is not to call, as somebody has recently done, to call 911 and say that their remote control in their cabin is not working, which, along with a few years ago when somebody called because they had shampoo in their eyes, is not an emergency. If you see something that doesn't look right, tell somebody. You can call 911 if you're hurt or you see somebody who needs help. Call 911. Okay, it is very, very important. If it's a general inquiry, you have shampoo in your eyes or you need a new battery, you can call your cabin attendant. 7777, which is guest services, or room service, which is 8,000. But please use 911 just as you would at home. Although saying that, there are probably some 911 operators who have their own stories to tell about things that people say.
And there you go. Of course. Absolutely, of course. If you get to your cruise cabin and your TV remote control doesn't work, obviously you pick up the phone and you dial 911 because it is an immediate emergency that must be handled. Who doesn't think that that's the right thing to do? Who doesn't believe that's what everybody should do? You get soap in your eyes while you're in the shower, you dial 911. Your TV remote doesn't work, you dial 911, right? Common sense, adult thing to do. What every smart cruiser does out there. Once again, I gotta say, I do believe there are some people out there that do not have enough common sense to be allowed to leave their house. But you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Is this really the kind of person you want to cruise with in the future? And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.